How to fix TPM device is not detected error on Dell computers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to provide a solution for your TPM device not detected error on your computer. So here are 7 straightforward methods to resolve this issue. Before we proceed, it's crucial to verify the availability of the TPM on your PC. Older PCs might not be equipped with this module. The correct way to confirm this is by examining the UEFI or BIOS security settings. If your PC is equipped with TPM, then you can utilize the following 7 methods to address the issue. So let's begin. The first method is that if your TPM is disabled in the BIOS and Windows or software checks for it, it will trigger this error. You need to enable it from your BIOS and restart your PC and press the hold BIOS key to access your BIOS and follow the instructions provided to enable the TPM. The next method is to update your BIOS. Most modern PCs now offer software that can update the BIOS without entering the BIOS. If that's not feasible, refer to the motherboard manual to update it through a USB drive and through the UEFI or BIOS. The third method is that you can also update the TPM drivers. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Locate Trusted Platform module under the Security section. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. The subsequent screen will prompt you to search for updated drivers on Windows Update. This will open Windows Update where you can navigate to Advanced Options and then Optional Updates. Check if the driver update is available. If yes, proceed to update the TPM drivers. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.